NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has released a stunning new image of the galaxy Centaurus A to celebrate 4 years of science operations, and it's giving astronomers one of the clearest views ever of this fascinating cosmic neighbor. Located about 11 million light-years from Earth, Centaurus A has been studied for decades, but Webb is revealing details that were hidden until now. The galaxy stretches diagonally across the image with a brilliant white core at its center. A wide band of glowing orange dust cuts across the middle, packed with bright knots, delicate filaments, and intricate patterns. Just above the center, a faint ribbon of dust curves gently in an S shape, adding even more detail to this incredible scene. What looks like a soft glow around the galaxy is actually made up of millions of individual stars. Thanks to Webb's powerful near-infrared camera, astronomers can now separate these stars one by one, even in the crowded central regions. Its mid-infrared instrument also sees through thick clouds of dust, uncovering warm structures that were completely hidden from visible light telescopes. Scientists believe Centaurus A was created after a massive collision about 2 billion years ago, when another galaxy crashed into it. That dramatic event scattered gas and stars into new paths and sparked huge bursts of star formation. Webb's new observations reveal different generations of stars across the galaxy, helping researchers piece together which stars existed before the collision, which formed during it, and which appeared afterward. It's allowing them to reconstruct the galaxy's history in greater detail than ever before. At the heart of Centaurus A is a supermassive black hole that's still shaping the galaxy today. As it pulls in surrounding material, it blasts out enormous jets of energy. Those jets can compress gas in some regions, triggering the birth of new stars, while pushing gas away in others, preventing stars from forming. The dusty disk left behind by the ancient collision continues feeding both the black hole and new generations of stars. Earlier telescopes could only reveal part of the story because thick dust blocked their view. Webb changes that completely by combining its ability to see through the dust with incredible image sharpness. The result is a breathtaking portrait that transforms a familiar galaxy into a detailed record of billions of years of cosmic history.